So a few things on how to use the quarantined chemistry Google Classroom. The main thing that I want you to understand from this video is that my expectation of you is to work on this actively, daily, Lord willing, that you're able to while you're off. What I don't want is for you to be out for 2 weeks and come back and be like, what did I miss and what do I need to do? You should know from being in class and from reading your syllabus and from interacting with others who have went through this that you're supposed to be working on the quarantine chemistry Google Classroom actively every day. As far as submissions go, it would be nice if you would upload them through Google Classroom or email. To be honest, I almost prefer it via email, but it's up to you. Nevertheless, whichever way you choose to send me your assignments, I will let you know that I've received them. But again, I don't want you to not do anything or wait to turn everything in until the 2 weeks is up and you're back. Now, the exception is, of course, if you don't have good upload speeds to upload a picture of your work to me, and that's a real thing, and I totally understand that. So, again, don't come back to school and say, what do I need to do? It's all here. So here's a little checklist. I'd like for you to work on an assignment a day. So that would mean you watch a video and then you do the assignment underneath it. Submitting your work, again, either here through Google Classroom or through my Chester County Schools email. So that's andrew.johnson@chestercountyschools.org. And number 3 here, I want you to understand, I realize this is difficult for you to juggle 7 classes online with no instruction. That's why I'm trying to upload these videos for you to at least be able to do something for you while you're gone. And so for the first couple days, if it's a little difficult to work 7 classes at once, that's fine, and I'll be merciful and I'll be nice. But just, again, do what you can do while you're gone. This online Google Classroom looks jumbled up, and I would tell you it does. If you are using this junky Stream tab, you always want to utilize the Classwork tab because that puts every assignment in order. So, for example, Unit 1, the PowerPoint is always at the beginning. Then here's a video. This is the first entry. The second entry is an assignment that is based off that video. The third entry is a new video, and the fourth entry is a new video, and then the fifth entry is an assignment based off of those previous videos. And that's the structure of this Google Classroom. So again, use the Classwork tab. On your cell phone, this Classwork tab is on the bottom, just FYI. A chemistry lesson a day keeps the student from falling behind. Okay, I butchered that. A chemistry lesson a day keeps falling behind away. That sounds better. Number 6, I had not contacted Mr. Johnson to let him know I was quarantined. This must mean I'm exempt. And my answer? Haha. If you're having issue with the Google Classroom code, which you're probably not because you made it here, this code, it looks like, in some fonts, that looks like a capital L, but it's a capital I. Big question. Am I supposed to still work on my regular chemistry Google Classroom? The one that's specific to the period you're in? The answer is only the homework. So if I post a quiz, you don't have to do it while you're quarantined. This work supersedes. And in fact, some of the work that you send to me, I put in for that quiz grade if you complete everything that you're supposed to complete. And so that's just, a little outlook to this quarantine chemistry Google Classroom. And above all, take care of yourself and let me know if you need me. God bless you.